Let us now look at the different types of computers. On the basis of functionality, the computer can be categorized into three types, that is, digital, analog, and hybrid computers. Now, what is an analog computer? It is a computer form that uses continuously changeable aspects of physical fact, such as electrical, mechanical, or hydraulic quantities. Basically, it is associated with quantity of physical form. So, example, an analog clock measures time by means of the distance traveled by the hand of clock around a dial. The other examples is a thermometer, analog clock, speedometer, tire pressure gauge. Next is the digital computers. The computer that performs calculations and logical operations with quantities represented as digits, usually in binary number system, which we'll see in the next video. It uses the digits 0 and 1, that is the machine language. The example is IBM PC, Apple Macintosh, calculators, digital watches. The next is a hybrid computer. So a computer that processes both analog as well as digital data are called hybrid computers. Examples, the computers which are used in hospitals to measure the heartbeat of a patient or devices used in a petrol pump. Basically, hybrid machines, they calculate, they measure in analog form and then they represent the data in the digital form. Next, we'll look at the types of digital computers. Now, these are categorized further on the basis of their size, speed, and the cost. So, these computers start from a microcomputer, then a mini computer, then a mainframe, and then supercomputers. Let's look at the micro and mini computers. First, microcomputers. These are the smallest of all computers. They are small in the physical size. So basically the personal computers and laptops which we use at home, they are all part of microcomputers. They are very economical in terms of cost and are friendly in use. Next is mini computers. These type of computers are very popular among medium-sized companies. So they are little faster than microcomputers and they process voluminous information. They are bigger than microcomputers but smaller than the mainframes. So basically they are gateway between the main servers for local area network. They act as a main server for local area network of microcomputers and then they interact with the mainframe. Next is the mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are also referred as a big iron and they are primarily used by the large organizations for critical application. So these are the organization which deals and analyzes huge amount of data. Example, Census Department, Industry and Commerce Statistics, Enterprise Resource Planning and Transaction Processing. Next is the supercomputer. These are the most powerful, costliest and fastest. They are basically used in weather forecasting, space research, nuclear test, satellite launching. They are very, very big in size and they are very super fast. Param is a series of supercomputers which is designed and assembled by CDAC Pune. And the China's vast Tianhe-2 is the fastest computer in the world. Let us now look at the different forms of computers. First one is the personal computer. It is a single user system which we usually use at home or in our offices. The first one which we look here is an Apple Macintosh machine which works on a Macintosh operating system. We'll look further on the operating system in the next coming videos. The other one is the personal computer, which is using standard Windows operating system. This is a desktop computer. It is called desktop because it usually fits on or under a desk or a table. Next, notebook computer or a laptop. So basically it is portable, it is small enough to fit on your lap, and it is little bit expensive than the desktop computer. Handheld computers, we have tablet PCs, we have personal digital assistants. Usually we don't see these type of computers now because these have been replaced by our smartphones, which are web-enabled handheld computers. So basically, our smartphones are also a form of computer and they perform various tasks of tablets, PDAs, and much more. They allow you to check emails, access internet. So basically, a web-enabled telephone is a smartphone. That's it for this video. Thank you.